Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Actually, I know it's been a long time since KDM Physics stopped posting videos, and you guys are some of my friends actually, some of my viewers were asking where I am. So I wanted to give you like it's kind of like a little update on what's been going on.
So you see, on the fifth design, that was the last experiment that we have done, and it was the most effective one that we have ever achieved.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Some people didn't actually catch what actually happened, but I mean, in this video, I'm gonna show you the whole like details, all the details that actually took place, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how this actually happened. Because I know that sometimes I don't really get enough time to explain this, but I'm gonna explain to you like exactly what actually took place at this time. I mean, I was really like shocked. I didn't know that like we were able to achieve this kind of effect. So look, given the fact that this was the fifth design, the heaviest one, and actually the most important design, I mean the impressive one, what do we have to do? We had to improve the circuits, obviously. I mean, I didn't want to use the same circuits as other first devices that I had because this one was carrying like a lot. So I tried to improve the circuits and legate everything, and that was the result that I got. As I actually said before, this platform has almost the same principles with other levitating platforms, same as OTC X1 and other similar platforms which works by the same principles. So this was actually like an opportunity for me to actually improve the design and everything. And also, we have talked about this concept of conductivity, which is like the most important one when it comes to the levitation things. It's not just about my platform, but in like almost every single levitating platform which relies on the like not just the propulsion, the simple propulsion, the fuel propulsion things, but like we're talking about the anti-gravity fields, so like conductivity is the most important concept when it comes to these things. So on my platform too, I actually use that to, I don't know if I can call it like fields or anything like that, but this platform kind of creates like a field under it, which actually defies gravity, which actually like helps the platform to float on it. For example, when we say that it actually got the ability to float in the air, we can use that to actually affect the weight of the platform. For example, the fifth design actually did the same thing. It actually tried to uh, go with the like the field under it. We actually got it to affect its weight, its own weight, and it actually did it because as you actually saw the video, the platform tried to lift itself off the ground, and it was I don't know if you actually saw that, but it was like a little effect in the yet more impressive because um, if you have been familiar with my experiments, back in the days, I've been doing more of like lifting ornery, like like little sons, and also affecting the aluminum plates. But we have never ever been able to affect the whole platform like that. And also, I have never seen the same effect. Honestly, I've never seen the same effect with my other designs, except for the fifth design, which was slightly different. It actually produced the very impressive effect that we have never seen before. And this also brought me back to the conclusion of understanding how powerful my fields were. And to anybody who doesn't really understand how my fields are shaped or how they are like how they form around my platform, I'm gonna give you these graphs. These graphs shows how the fields are formed. On the first, second, third, and fourth design, they all have the fields on the upward side. But on the fifth design, we have the fields on the downward side because the platform is also looking downward. So when you project the fields on the fifth design, as you see, they try their best to actually go against the ground. They try to levitate the platform above the ground. But on this first, second, third, and fourth design, they have the fields upward. And according to what I actually felt, these fields are even stronger. They are even stronger. It's not just about the levitating things and everything like that, but they kind of like block air outside. The air doesn't enter inside. According to what I felt, it's really amazing. So, but the fifth design, which is similar to like Grebennikov's platform, it's a little bit different actually. The fields that form around the platform is a little bit different because Grebennikov himself claimed that the fields actually formed like something like a shield around him. Having the field surrounding him, he said it was the like the positive thing because he was not getting hit by the wind in like because he was moving at a faster speed and he was not feeling any wind around his face or anything. Yeah, and he felt kind of like warm in the fields. So that was better on the one side, but on the other side, it is a little bit harmful to the body because I think in some of the cases that we have heard of related to Grebennikov's death, it was also, I guess, I mean, I don't know if it's actually true, but the influence of his projects also had a big, they had a big effect on his life too. So on my platform, it's a little bit different because the platform actually focuses the fields on the downward side, not the upward side where the person is standing. So if you even get hit by some fields, it's not just going to cover your whole body. And it's also different from Grebennikov's platform because I guess what Grebennikov was actually doing, in my perspective, I think like he didn't block the fields from like also surrounding the upward side of the platform. I mean, we have the fields on the downward side where there's holes in the platform, and that's cool. But he didn't really actually block the fields on on the upward side of the platform, and that's why kind of like the fields were also being able to penetrate and also get on the upward side of the platform where he was standing, and that was really bad actually to the body. To like it was really effective getting the electromagnetic fields and everything going inside of you, inside of your body. That was really harmful. So my platform on the other side is a little bit different because um, it focuses the fields on the downward side. We are focusing the fields on the downward side, especially even when you get off the ground. We're not only depending on the ground to for the platform to levitate, but we also focus on the like on the strong field that we should get. For example, when the platform get in the air, the main, I think that's the hard part actually. The hard part is not just getting to effect on the ground, but is to control it in the air. For example, when you get into the air, it's gonna be a little bit hard for us to get that kind of strong field to actually make it float, make the platform float in the air. So yeah, that's how my platform forms the field. I know some people have been comparing my platforms to Gravitical's platform, saying that they are the same platforms, but no. Uh, they only differ from how they dilate the fields. I try my best to dilate the fields on the downward side, not just on the whole platform, as Gromikov actually did. So this is how far we've came in the progress. I mean, we've started testing with the grams, and now we are being able to generate the field, which is actually able to affect a 6 or 7 kilogram object. I mean, that's impressive. So to anyone who didn't really get the schematics yet, I don't know what you're doing. We are going forward with the progress. So if you want to continue with us, you should get the schematics already. And to everyone who actually got the schematics, I need you guys to update me on whatever you guys are up to. I mean, how is everything going? How is everything going? Have you achieved some of the strange effects that you want to share with me, let me know. Let me know what you're up to. So this is pretty much the end of this whole video. I know I have been gone for a while. I haven't been here for months. So I came back and I have some interesting experiments that I want to share with you that you're gonna like. So if you haven't bought the schematics already, buy them so that you're gonna keep track of whatever we are talking about. Because I know it can be a little bit confusing for someone who doesn't have the schematics. And if you want to, you can join my membership channel too, where I'll be posting some exclusive footage of some of the experiments that I've done before and what I'll be doing in the future. So you gotta join so that you're gonna stay updated. So see you guys in the next video.